What are the law system? According to my research and according to my direct experience as a plaintiff in person in high court, I'm going to say the legal system or the legal method or the law system is divided into three. The first one is the common law system, the second one is the civil law system, and then the third one is the hybrid method. Anyways, if you are just seeing this fine girl for the first time, I am wondering what exactly is she talking about, like as a direct experience. So I am not actually a law student, I am a medical student who sued that medicals go to court for breach of contract in which other cause of action actually arise or arose. Yeah. So because I am actually in the high court and I don't have a lawyer, so I had to do a whole lot of research, learning about law, understanding law, the concepts, and my opponent actually hired a very senior lawyer, extremely senior lawyer, to face me in court. So I knew that with that, I have to triple, double, quadruple my legal game. So diving right into research, I had to learn a whole lot of things. And me learning a whole lot of things, I've had a lot of successful pre-trial win. So you can actually go through my playlist. I titled the 3 million USD litigation. You see the videos, subsequent videos regarding this, that, and how I have won so far. Things I have achieved as a medical student against a senior lawyer, right? Yeah. So that's why I feel like I've learned a whole lot and I can't just keep this knowledge to myself. Let me just come up here and share with you guys. So why I said I have if I didn't find myself in high court suing my school, I would still be of the belief that there are just two main legal system, right? But this, I'm going to be explaining this topic according to my experience, according to what I experienced in court, 2026 experience, not like maybe 2 years ago, 10 years ago. Waiting is not done, no, it's designed. Before somebody will say you're wearing tear clothes, I just had to put that disclaimer. So like I said, I believe there are actually three legal system. So now let's get through it. So the big question is, where does the judge look to find the law? So why we have three types of legal system is because of the question that where does a judge look to find the law, right? If you check one of my videos that I've uploaded regarding sources of law, make sure you check that video. I'll put it into my playlist. I'll title it Law 101. Make sure you watch the video before this one. So with that one, you'll be able to understand this topic very well. But regardless, you still understand, right? So that in that video, when I talk about sources of law, I mentioned primary and secondary law, and I mentioned the categories of primary law, secondary law. If you've watched that video, you should be able to still understand primary law, right? Primary law, we have what? Let's say it together. We have constitutional law, we have statutory law, we have common law / case precedent, and then we have what? Customary law. Whereas for secondary law, we have what? Legal articles, legal textbook, this particular video that you're watching, and you understand. So make sure you see that video. I give detailed explanation and how you can remember these things. So the question is, like I said, where does a judge look when they really want to make their ruling or make a decision? So that's why we have three different types of legal system: the common law, the civil law, and the hybrid law. So if this video was helpful, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.